Let us have a look at Report a Bug app by MAQ Software. This app helps the users of Dynamics 365 to create bugs or tasks directly in Azure DevOps from Dynamics 365 environment. Log in to make.powerops.com. Select your environment. Select Solutions in the left navigations bar. Click on Import button. Click on Browse. Select Report a Bug Managed Solution. Click on Next. Click on Next. Populate the project name and organization name of the Azure DevOps project. Click on Import. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to import the managed solution into environment successfully. Once the solution is imported successfully, navigate to Solutions. Select Report a Bug App Solution. Select Create a Bug Cloud Flow. Click on Edit button and add Azure DevOps and Microsoft Dataverse connections. After adding the connections, click on Continue and click on Save button. Flow will be saved successfully. After that, turn on the flow. Open Dynamics 365 instance. Navigate to Apps, select Report a Bug app. Once the app is loaded successfully, select Report a Bug config entity in the sitemap. Click on New button. Populate all the fields with data. After populating all the fields, click on Save button. Click on Case Test Entity in the sitemap. Click on New button, populate the field with data. Click on Save button. Click on Report a Bug button. Data will be auto-populated in the Quick Create form from the config entity. Click on Save and Close button. Select Report a Bug entity in the sitemap. Record will be created in the Report a Bug entity. Navigate to the Azure DevOps project. A bug will be created in the project under specified user story in the config entity. All the details are auto-populated from config entity. Thank you for watching this video. Please post your queries on the link provided in the description below.